the detail of my material MM02, enter. Material is this. Press enter key, continue. The finished material is handled with the serial number also along with the batch number. Then in the sales general and plant view, in the lower half, we also assign the serial number profile. If you click on it, this list is coming from the configuration where we are maintaining the serial number profile. Press F1 key, you also get the option to go to the configuration, select this, continue. Select say this only, determine serial number profile. We click on this, it is taking it to the transaction OIS2. So either you can go from the configuration to this path or you can directly use the T code. Serial number profile which we have assigned is this ZPP1. Get the category. Normally, these serial numbers are handled by the plant maintenance and they use it for the machines or the equipments. Some unique number is given to them to track it based on their serial number and how these serial numbers should be maintained. That data we maintain it here. We use it for the production department also. Then the serial number in the PP order release, these entries should be there. I want to use it for my inspection lot also, so that is also maintained in this. How the usage should be used, whether you want that the serial number should be automatically generated or is it optional. These settings can be maintained appropriately. Let me go back to my material. Assign this serial number profile in the sales, general and plant view, or I can assign it in the work scheduling also. This is the profile. Just now we saw the detail. The quality management for the inspection type 04, these are the settings which are maintained by default. It is unchecked the serial number possible, but I have checked it because I want to use it for the lot details also. Okay, continue and then save it. Plan also for it. /n QP02, enter. My material is this, plant is this, press enter key. In the header level, the code reset I'm using it. Status is released. In the operation control key QM01 is maintained. Both the MICs which I have assigned are single result recording with the sampling procedure of 100%. With the required characteristics. Control indicator, the sampling procedure I can uncheck, then also it will be 100%. Single result recording I'm selecting as required, continue. Check the consistency, everything is okay, and then save it. Creating the production order, /n CO01, enter. Material is this, plant is this, and press enter key. Order type I can specify as standard order, production order PP01. Quantity I'm keeping it small, say 5. Select say type as current date. Press enter key. Press enter. Automatic release is selected, so I don't have to manually release it. The production order has been released. If I go to the control tab, the lower half you will find the serial number profile picked from the material master and the 5 serial numbers are generated. If we save this, that's a costing error, it's okay. If I do the confirmation for production order, /n CO15, enter, press enter key, selecting the final confirmation with the yield of 5 only and then save it. Just press enter key, QA32 report and execute it. So at present there is no lot and I can do the Migo, enter, selecting both receipts against the order, production order, and the number is this. Press enter key. Serial number tab is coming for individual 5 units. Batch number is also created as this, where location I can specify as this, and item okay, I'm selecting. Click on check once, that's okay, and then post it. So stock is in the quality department because inspection type 04 is activated. Refresh it. So this is the lot which is created and it is in the release date. Select this, go for the result recording. Here both the MICs are single result recording and this is disabled. If you click on this unit to be inspected, for the first unit, which is 49, it is giving me the option to enter the results. Select say not okay. Out of the specification, my first piece I am rejecting. You have the option to go to the next piece and enter the result here only for the 50 also. Again, if you go to this, now it is 51. Let me save this. I'm not entering the result from here. Refresh it. It is partially inspected. Okay. Let me open my QE51 end transaction, which is a work list, and just execute it. We were doing the result recording for these MICs and 2 has been already inspected. Remaining I am entering as OK values only. Press enter key. So valuation is coming, but still my MIC status is 2. So click on log. Now it is rejected because one piece I have rejected. Here the units are also coming. You can see 49 we have rejected. Remaining are okay. In this case, let me enter the value for this also. And here also for remaining, I am entering the value within the range. Press enter key, click on lock. Again, the color indications are coming. Save it. Let me go to again my QA32 report and refresh it. Select this and go for the usage decision. Warning that we have rejected this. Still, I am just selecting the code as accepted. Click on this. The first piece I have rejected and remaining were okay. The serial number button, material is handled in the serial number and we have also used it for the inspection lot. Click on it, it will open the detail for the serial number. Double click on it, it will show you the current status of this serial number, which is yet present in the quality department. Stock type is coming as 02 because so far we haven't done the usage decision and the stock posting part completion. Even we can check the stock. If you click on the stock, my batch number is 1667. Stock is in the quality. Okay, let me go back. I'm moving 4 piece to the unrestricted and 1 to the blocked quantity out of this and then try to save it. Okay, so this pop-up is coming. The quantity or the serial numbers which you are posting to the unrestricted. 49, which we have at present rejected. Remaining were okay. So I can remove this first entry, say delete it. Then moving from quality to unrestricted, these serial numbers, click on continue. Just refresh it so it is removed. MMPE, enter, click on execute. 4 is in the unrestricted and 1 I have noted to the blocked quantity. And from the environment, if you click on the equipment and the serial numbers, so if you click on the details, the stock type is blocked stock. Okay, if you click on history for this particular serial number, you can see the serial number is this. This is the order number. If you double click on it, it will take you to the production order details only. The code receipt transaction material document details only when the stock was moved to the quality. Go back, and this is the lot detail, the usage decision, the log, like we have moved 4 pieces to the unrestricted and 1 to the blocked quantity. Close this. Let's go back. And if you click on action log, the batch number details. Let me go back. IQ03. Press enter key. It is a transaction which will display the material serial numbers. If I remove this, click on this, you will get the complete list of existing serial number for this material. Double click on it. System status for this. If you go back, if you want to create a new serial number, then you can go to the creation mode. I can enter the number is 54 and then press enter key. You can select the stock type, whether it is 01 unrestricted or to the block. Okay, at present I'm keeping it blank only, and then click on save. Go to MM02, enter, and this is the material continue. Work scheduling. Here, let me change this profile. Integrated serial number for PP. So I'm selecting this, press enter key. Remaining things I'm keeping it same only, save it. To check the profile detail, OIS2, assign this time this one. Okay, integrated serial number data which is maintained. For the production order, it is not automatically getting generated. You can see it is 2. Serial number which is optional, and order release, it is maintained as 3, not 4. Whereas 4, which means automatically it should have been triggered, the serial number. See the impact of it. /n CO01 enter. Material is this, press enter key. Quantity here. Say 2, scheduling type as current date, press enter key. Since automatic release is rejected, check the log. Okay. Previously, it was released automatically when I pressed enter key, but this time it is giving me the message. If we go to the control tab, we have assigned the profile this time as PP, and the number of serial numbers generated is 0. The release was not carried out. It requires 2 serial numbers. Okay. So that's why the release was not allowed. Add the serial numbers. I can go to header, serial numbers. Okay, let me enter say 54 and 55. Press enter key. Getting an error message. No. 54 just now I have created using the transaction for the serial number creation. Let me terminate it. /n. Then create a serial number using IQ01, enter. And this time I'm entering say 55. Click on this to give you the existing serial number list. Let me check the serial number list so far which is created. 54 is there, which is the status. You can check here. It is showing as available. I have kept it 55. Just press enter key, and stock type I'm keeping it blank. Status is available. Save it. Now let's try to again create the production order. /n CO01 enter with the quantity 2 only for it. Current date I'm selecting, press enter key, enter key. and click on release the order, getting the error message while release. If you check the log, it will give us the information that the serial number need to be assigned. Let me go back. Control tab. At present, the serial number count is 0. So click on headers, select serial numbers. Again, click on this and click on execute. So we can check the free or the available numbers from here, which is 54 and 55. Let me select 54 and I can enter say 55. Press enter key. This time it is accepting this 55 because the serial number exists as a free serial number. And then click on save. Continue. Okay. Now let's go to the change mode of the order, and this time order was created. And if I click on control, so two serial numbers are there. Let me release the order. So release has been carried out. Click on save. That's costing error. Confirmation of it. CO15 enter. Press enter key. Yield I'm keeping it same only. Final confirmation. Click on save. That's okay. /n, enter. Enter the production order number. Press enter key. These two serial numbers are coming. Enter the where location for it. Press enter key. Click on item OK. Check it once and then post it. Go to QA32 report, refresh it. So this is the lot which is created and it is in the release date. So we can do the result recording for it, and I am doing it from QE51N. Click on execute. So double click on it. This time I'm purposely entering the value within the range for both. Press enter key, click on log. Now the symbol is coming as green. Enter 5, press enter key, click on log, and then save it. Refresh it, it is inspected, select this, go for the usage decision. Entering the value as accepted. Go to the inspection stock tab. If I click on stock, at present with this batch number, 2 quantities in the quality department, so I can move it directly to the unrestricted. Click on save. So this time the pop-up is not coming because whole quantity is moved to the unrestricted. Let me go back, and if I select all the lots and click on execute, so with the quantity this 2, usage decision, inspection log, serial numbers. If you double click on it here, the status has been changed now. And if you click on this, you can get the details. The stock type is coming as unrestricted.